Mississippi TV. Y'all tap in with the boy. Best thing smoking on YouTube, shout I ain't lying. Like, comment, subscribe. Might tell somebody so they can tell somebody about the boy, man. Just pulled up on my big dog. Man, y'all live to that thing bump. This daytime shot of that thing. Yep, that boy dude got that backup pump up there too. I'm gonna see if you see that thing ducked out. The dude got that backup pump up there. He told us how he was gonna get it. He got that thing looking real slick behind there. I don't know if you see it, but it's right there. It's right there ducked out. Big block got the whole car got there on tape. Put a new cap on the dash right here. Put a new cap on the dash right here. You should have just, that's normal. I'm looking at that idle whacking down pretty good. The wood holding steady. Go ahead, clear her ass out, dog. You had to clear that thing out one time, boy. You had to clear out one time. Like I was saying, he got the new cap up here. He got the new cap up here. I tell you, boy. Huh? Hey. You gotta let them know the upgrade, doc. That brake pedal so firm down. I think I might even put one of these on mine. I ain't gonna lie. To make the wheel wood. My wheel wood gonna be on steroids. I put one of these up there. Man, top looking good. That cam always bumping, boy. Boy got his appointment tomorrow to get that 3 inches out up there. Come out. So he coming on with it. He coming on with it. Coming on with it. Both everything looking good, boy. I'm gonna tell y'all, about to talk to y'all to give y'all a little quick update. I done tried everything I done tried for finding that adapter. Well, the right adapter, I cannot find it. So long story short, I'm probably gonna take it to my boy Dan, who did my fuel sale. Let him put in the air, probably run me a new line, and then call it a day. So man, I've been ripping running all over the city last week. And I'm just tired of doing it now. So that was how the young sitting there right now. I'm just gonna give me a new brake line. So probably gonna give me a new brake line made. I got one more thing I'm gonna try. I'm gonna call them folks tomorrow, and if that don't work, I'm gonna get that thing towed and get Dan to run me a new brake line, and they're gonna be dead on that. So like I said, I'm over here on my big dog career right now. And yeah. Tomorrow he got his appointment for his 3 inches out to get put up there. And man, this thing gonna be ready to ride. He just did everything to put it on the street. He got the backup pump on this joint. So the brakes working. Everything working, dog. Everything working. yeah. And gonna take it down the road one time, huh? Now you got the brake. You took it down the road, you ain't have brake. You got brakes now, so you might as well go ahead and take it down the road. Go ahead and light on one time. When they say float them tires out one time, stop bullshitting with them. You bumping good, ain't you? Bumping real good. Cows and dusting. How you want to tell them folks what you got going on tomorrow, though? Because I already told them, though. 3 inches going on this night. This man kind of shot out. He don't want to tell you the secret, though. He don't want to tell you what's going on. But yeah, she's gonna be ready to hit that. She's gonna be ready to hit them streets that weekend, baby. Gonna be ready to hit them streets. Then I'm gonna be right behind them. Then we're gonna be all over the city. We're gonna be everywhere. Hold up. Y'all follow in the comments. Let me know how y'all like that thing. What it sound like. I like how she sound. Big stroke motor, big block. Bump it down good. And like I was saying, I like how he brakes. I like how them brakes feel on that thing. I'm probably gonna end up putting me one of them backer pumps on mine too. Make the wheel wheels be on steroids when I hit that thing. Yeah, them brakes solid. I like how that thing feel. I like how that feel. I think I'm definitely gonna have to get through one of them. So them. That little backer pump right there, boy. Right there. That thing ready to ride. I got that rust. That rust starting to come back out my pipes again. From the moisture just collecting in my pipe from that driving, you feel me? I remember when I had, what I was going to get did. I think that when I had my old set of old pipes on it, he put on that tow truck with so much rust of water coming up out them things. I was like, damn. For sitting up. It best not even just start them. For real, till you get them rolling.
Clear that shit out.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna clear that joint out.
I know my shit is sitting on it, yours. But I ain't got no rust built up, but it was a lot of black soot shit built up.
Now I was cranking mine up a lot. But yeah, they're gonna be the last day y'all see 2.5 exhaust on that thing. We're gonna have them big boys on that thing tomorrow. Might be the last time you see them tips up there too, them Chevelle tips. Yup. I called that boy Patrigo back too. Yeah, that vacuum pump, look at that vacuum pump feeling real good. I'm definitely gonna get me one of them. You got that thing tucked up back there real slick. Hey, what kind of vacuum pump that?
Master Power.
Master Power. Man, what else you got planned for it? Just riding that thing?
No, I still gotta do my rear end, still gotta do my suspension.
Still got to do it rear end. Still got to do his suspension. Man, what suspension going with up? They got a lot of them out there. You don't know yet. He probably put Curry 1 on this thing. Curry 1, Viking in.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I just don't know how I want to do it.
yeah, he gonna do Curry 1. He gonna put them thing. He gonna do the rear first. Squat that rear. Then he probably gonna move around to that front. Cause she already got a nice stand just in stock now. But he wanna tuck that. He wanna tuck that ass just a little bit more. So wanna tuck that thing. Let her sit down just a little bit more. Probably gonna do coilovers all the way around that thing. 3 inches off. 3 inches off going on tomorrow. Have it really breathe like it need to be breathed. And then he gonna put that thing on the streets and we're gonna start riding. Cause like I said, I done had enough of that real brake line fit. I can't find it nowhere. So I done. One thing about me, I'm gonna try to find what I need to find. I'm gonna try my best to do what I can do first. But if I can't find it, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the professional, put it on that lift, and just get it did. Cause the thing about me, man, I don't be having no time during the week, and I had to wait till the weekend come. And when the weekend come, if I don't get it done on the weekend, I gotta wait a whole another weekend because of how we working right now. So I'm just gonna holler at Dan who did my first sale. If I get it up there during the week, the weekend come, it's already done. It's already done, dog. So this man about to swap his he about to swap his duds out. Swap his duds out for the stock rally. No, he still got them too. Get this thing ready for the exhaust shot tomorrow, dog. So y'all following the company, one y'all like better. Them black chrome or the stock joint. You can't go wrong with that one. I ain't gonna count. But that's the street look right there. I don't give a damn what he talking about. That's the street look right there now, boy. So
it is. They'll be going back up.
But he about to put these up here till he come out the Oh, you already drilled your wheels out? You did that?
No, they already like that.
Oh damn, that's a big hole for the half inch joint. They gonna go right up there then.
Yeah, they go right up there, no problem.
Oh dang. We are old on where they watered or something? Them small stuff you had enough?
No, let's stop.
Oh dang. Yeah, them jump big. Yeah, he just putting these up here right now. Cause if he go to the muffler shop, going to the muffler shop tomorrow. Yeah, I think he said he gonna put these on when he get his rear end done.
Yeah, I'll put them all back.
His appointment on down the road. You know, he gonna get them gears. He gonna get that pods unit put up in that thing. Get that pods unit put in there. Get the axles put in there. And that's where he gonna be at. So okay, got them all on deck. They all there. Huh? Oh shit. People can see with a lot of stuff think he got money.
That is true. I ain't gonna get their ass no ammo.
Shit. You gotta keep that fire on deck, dog. They say they don't respect nothing but that fire. If ever pistol going to that dude I follow on Instagram, they don't respect nothing but that fire. Oh, I stay out the way. I keep that fire ducked off. Stay out of the way, put them cars together.
That's all you can do.
Now, that man doing extra work for real. But we can't stop though. We can't
My damn K and
stay still.
that shit suck. I'm not using that shit.
Yep. It's all appointment tomorrow, dog. You shall see him and Tati Young on the road real soon, messing off in these streets. Letting these things run. Cause both of us been sent down here for a free month now, dog. So there. Mississippi TV, y'all tap in with the boy. Bitch ain't smoking on YouTube, so I ain't lying. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, tell somebody so they tell somebody about the boy, man. Highway 45, breaking down Center, Clay County, in my neck of the wood back home. Baby, I'm out this thing. Y'all be easy out there.